Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about setting up a server for Minecraft. Minecraft is a popular sandbox game that allows players to build and explore their own virtual world. However, playing Minecraft alone can get boring, and that's where setting up a Minecraft server comes in handy. With your own server, you can invite friends and other players to join in and build together, creating a community that can span across the world. Before we get started, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by APX. APX is a reliable and affordable server hosting provider that has been in the business since 2013. If you're interested in getting your own server, check out the link in the description for more information. So let's get started on setting up your own Minecraft server. Step 1. Decide on the server version. The first thing you need to do is decide on which version of Minecraft you want to run your server on. Minecraft is constantly being updated, so it's important to choose the version that you and your players prefer. You can choose from 3 types of servers. First things first, you want to go to the second link in the description down below. That's going to take you here. This is our complete text tutorial for how to make a Minecraft server in 1.19, 1.19.1, 1.19.2. This tutorial will work for all of those versions. So once you're here, go ahead and scroll down. And once you're here, click on the Download Minecraft button. That'll take us off to Minecraft's official website, where we can download Minecraft_server 119.2. How do you download this? By clicking this link right here, this Minecraft server link. When you click on that, it's automatically going to download on the bottom left of Google Chrome, or in the center of your screen on Mozilla Firefox. You may need to keep this in the bottom left of Chrome, or save it on Firefox. And it's 100% safe to do that because this is Minecraft.net. This is Minecraft's official website. So again, just click this link here to start that download, and then it will download at the bottom left, or in the interview screen on Firefox. Now let's go ahead and minimize our browser. And what we want to do is create a new folder on our desktop. So let's right-click, create a new folder, and then we're going to name this folder Minecraft 119.2 servers. You can name this folder anything, but that way you know exactly what it is. It's your Minecraft 1.19.2 server. Now let's go ahead and drag it and drop our server file into this. To do that, you want to find it in your Downloads folder. So click the little Windows icons and top it up to my screen, probably in the bottom left of your screen or bottom center of your screen on Windows 11. And guess, this is fully working on Windows 11. Click that Windows icon, type in Downloads. And then you have this Downloads file folder here. Open this up, and in here you'll find the server.jar. Go ahead and drag and drop this from your download folder into the Minecraft folder on your desktop. The Minecraft server folder there. Now when we open up the Minecraft server, we'll be able to see here server jars in this folder. Now you should be able to go ahead and double click on this. That is assuming you have the correct version of Java and you've ran the Jarfix. And basically Java is handling your JR files. How can you check that? Well, as you can see here, mine has this little Java icon. That's one clue. So if you have this little Java icon, awesome, you're good to go. But if you don't have a Java icon here, or when you double click on this, it doesn't give you these files and folders here. Well, what do you do, right? What do you do? Well, you need to download and install Java 17. Java 17 is required for Minecraft servers, as well as Minecraft mods, and this is a complete guide on how to do everything with Java 17. It goes through it all in depth to make sure that you can get your server up and running. In Minecraft 1.19.2, without any Java issues, you may also need to run the Jarfix. And what this is going to do is take all the jar files on your computer and link them back to Java. If you've had issues opening the jar file, you need to run the Jarfix truthfully, because the Jarfix is what's going to allow you to easily double-click on the file. It's also a super simple 3-stepper, and it'll be up and running. Nevertheless, we can minimize our browser, and you should be able to double-click on that server jar. When you double-click on that, it's going to give you these files and folders here right now. Once you've got these files and folders, we specifically want to look at the ELA.txt file. Go ahead and open that file up in Notepad. Right, like so. And then in here, you want to make sure you agree to this ELA, which we do. So let's go to ULA equals false. 2. ULA equals true TRUE, exactly like that. Would you have ULA equals true here? You can click save and it will save the .txt file right. Like so, make sure there's no spaces after this or anything like that, that it's all on one line. Just EULA equals true, exactly like that file. Save close out of this. And now when you double click on this server.jar, your Minecraft server is actually going to start, right? It's going to start up. You're going to see here that it's going to pull up this. This is your service console, and this is everything that's going on in your server. As you can see, preparing level. It's basically meaning it is spawning in the world folder for your Minecraft server. Right now, spawn area is generating all of that. At this point, your server is working, so let's go ahead and join it. Now, it is worth noting right now, you're the only person that can join your Minecraft server. But if you're like me, I like to test things as I go along instead of just getting to the end and seeing why something's not working. So let's see if you can join your server right now. To do that, go ahead and open up Minecraft and 1.19.2. I'll meet you on the main menu. So here we are. Minecraft 1.19.2 is now open. You can see on the bottom left, it is 1.19.2. We do want to click on multi, and then you might get this pop-up. If you don't, no worries. But if you do, let's go ahead and click. Do not show again and proceed, or just click proceed. Doesn't matter. And then we want to go ahead and click direct connection here. In the direct connection screen, you just simply want to type local host, all one word, exactly like that as your IP, just local host altogether, and then click join the server. And on the left hand side, we're gonna see this survey is going to join us on in there. It is Nick's Games, and we are now joining into our server. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials and content. Until next time, happy Minecrafting!